Hey guys, how's it going? How to check your Steam wallet balance on mobile. So first of all, download and install the Steam, and then make sure that you log in with your account. Okay, and then what you're gonna do to access the wallet, go ahead and click the three horizontal lines. Probably gonna find it, and then click right here at the bottom right, and then click store. Right, you're gonna find the store option from here, right, and then you're gonna be able to see the last option, the wallet, and from here you're gonna be able to access the Steam wallet on mobile. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.